My process for integrating sources into my writing or projects before this class, I would just go on Google and look for any source. I would sometimes just read like half of it and not the whole thing. I would I wouldn't refer to my sources as claims and just agreed with what the source would say. The first thing I learned about how we integrate our sources into our writing and projects is to identify your sources. So by identifying your sources, the card sheet that Miss Bonnie provided really helped me to identify them. And figure out if my source is reliable. So as you can see here, it asks you questions about credibility, accuracy, reasonableness, support. And then at the end, it asks you the author, type of source, date of publication, claims, evidence, audience, purpose of this source. And it asks you these questions to see if the source is reliable and how you can identify the source. And it really helped me because, it's like a checklist, so it's super easy. The second thing I learned is we must write about a missing perspective to move our research into our own research. So this is the missing perspective worksheet, and it helped us develop research into our own. So the thing I was missing, that was missing from my secondary sources, was none of my sources looked at children under the age of 10. And children under the age of 10 are very impatient. So that's one of the reasons why I chose it. And here it gives you questions of how, why, or what will focus your current research. So it helps you. And it helped me figure out what was the missing perspective that my secondary sources missed and how to create a question. And last but not least is to always write the author's ideas as claims, because that's just what they are, claims. So as you can see in my essay, I wrote them as claims because that's just what they are, claims. And before this class, I wouldn't take them as claims. I would just agree with what the source would say, but I learned that you should take them as claims. So recently I've been getting more into the gym. So I've been doing research on supplements and which ones you should be taking to help you grow muscle. And I'm taking people's advice just as claims because we all have different bodies, so it might react different to me. So I just take them as claims.